Welcome. Here is how to withdraw cash from Paga without an ATM card. On your phone, you dial *242*3#. On the mobile phone linked to your Paga account, make sure it is your phone number that is linked to your Paga account. You cannot do this on your mobile app. You can only do this through your phone through the dialing pad. So after you have dialed *242*3#, enter the cash amount you want to withdraw. Then you enter your phone number as the recipient. Type in your 4-digit Paga PIN to authorize the transaction. You'll receive an SMS containing a withdrawal code. Hook up to any cardless enabled ATM or certified Paga agent outlet. Select cardless withdrawal on the ATM or inform the agent. Enter your phone number and the cash amount and the withdrawal code to collect your cash. Thank you for listening and have a great day.